How to find a Popeyes near you with the Popeyes Store Locator. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Popeyes on your device. Here, click on Restaurants at the top. After you click on Restaurants at the top, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, type in your location. Click on your location and it will give you all the nearby location stores. You can simply scroll through it and you'll find its location on the map at the top as well. After you click at one, you can also click on pick up here. It will lead you to menu and order from here. And this is how to find a Popeyes near you with the Popeyes Store Locator. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.